how's it all? How are you doing? This is Strone here again with a new tutorial for you. Now, today we're looking at Emby Media Server. Something similar to Plex. It's an awesome piece of software if you've built your own one or you want to build your own media server. This is a good place to start. So if we're looking here, this is the Emby software, very similar to Plex. This is my personal favorite, so this is the one I'm going to be starting with. So if we look at the download option, what do we need here? We're going to build ours on Linux, and we're going to use Ubuntu mainly for what else we can add on. There are other options there. We're going to use Ubuntu. So Ubuntu, we'll just come to the site here, which is the version we have. Let's take a look. 22.04. Not going to do that one. We're going to do 20.04 because newer versions usually have a bit of problems. Now, luckily, I've already got that image. So now let's go create our virtual machine for this. Name. So next, this is Ubuntu. I'm going to give this 4 cores and a fair amount of RAM. I'm going to give it 8 gigs. I'll give that 40 gigs, but we're going to add an additional hard disk. Make that 2 gigs. But we're going to make sure it's a thin provisioned one. Let's go choose ISO. Now we're good to start the server. Okay, I'll choose my language as English. Let's update the installer. Find the standard layout. Do Ubuntu server. Use that network interface. No proxy. We'll use that mirror address. It should pick up the closest to you. Yeah, we'll use the entire 40 gig drive. Standard layout's fine. And we'll continue with that. My name. As you'll see, this is the same as my Ubuntu video, so nothing different there. Enable SSH server. no additional packages, and the install is starting. At this point here, the actual install is already complete. It's actually busy doing updates. This is definitely taking longer than normal. It's busy processing. Well, I think we're just going to cancel this update and do the reboot. By the way, it looks like pretty much this update is done anyway. So now that our Ubuntu server is now set up, now we can start with everything else. Let's use the last things there. So let's take a look here. And I'm in. Let's take a look at the IP address. There we go. Now I'm going to connect to the server via PuTTY. Okay, so I'm just going to log out of that. Swap to root. Okay, that's happy. So there's a few things we need to do here. Just one thing I do recommend that is done, because it will help in the long run earlier. We're going to add a group. We're going to call it media. Because we're just going to start with Emby. There's a few additional things we're going to install to make this a fully automated media server. And the group called media is going to be very, very useful for this. So we'll add the group in. So if we take a look here. Let's not worry about that now. So we are doing Ubuntu. So let's grab the install file and we're just going to go wget it, paste it in, and download it. So now we got our deb install file. We just do the package manager and the file name and install it. So this also installs a service for Emby. You can see that that service is running, and that's the service name. So if we go take a look in the opt directory, we'll see Emby Server. We go into that folder, and there you can see the Emby files. So now, okay, we've installed Emby. What now? So now let's go to our IP address. Nothing happens. But why isn't Emby running? Emby is running. We must just take a look what the port is. So I'm installing NetTools because I want to get the netstat command so I can look at open ports. And now we see Emby Server runs on port 8096. So if I go to my browser and I put in 8096 at the end, what do we get? So it's not secure, so we have to take the S away. And there we go. We're connecting to the Emby server. Now it's going to do a quick start guide. Choose your language. Your username. I'm going to just use my name. Password. I just do a code for this. It's just easier. This is where we'll add our libraries, but we'll do that later. This you can leave default. You can set the country to your own. We'll do the automatic port mapping, accept the terms of service, and then we're done. So now, welcome to Emby. Just going to sign in. That's our finish for part 1 of this series. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learned something. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.